Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I have the 12-inch Toguard rear view mirror dashcam. Today I'm going to show you all the features this dashcam has. And stay tuned to the end where I'm going to show you some driving footage.
Alright, let's go over what comes in the box here. You got the mirror dashcam, the backup camera, the car charger, the GPS antenna, 4 cable clamps, 4 rubber straps, 1 easy pry tool, and 1 rear camera cable which is 18 feet long. Now this dashcam does not come with a micro SD card. A class 10 U3 micro SD card is needed to record, and I'll put links in the description down below to purchase. Just make sure to format your micro SD card in your PC, then format it again on your dashcam before you use it.
So this is a 12-inch rear view mirror dashcam. And it's touch screen, which I like. Now, and to install this dashcam, it comes with 2 rubber straps that you put around the original factory rear view mirror. By doing this, it would not damage the original factory mirror.
Now, the front dashcam records at a 3840 by 2160p, and the rear camera records at a 1080p by 1920p. And the backup camera records at a 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second.
The dashcam has an f1.8 aperture, Sony Starvis IMX415, and a 6-glass lens, which records at a high definition rate, where it balances all the lighting for you, all the brightness and darkness in the video. This dashcam records at a high definition rate. With this technology, it lightens and brightens any conditions. So if it's too dark, it brightens it up. If it's too bright, it darkens it. So it balances all the lighting for you.
The front dashcam records at a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, which easily covers 3 lanes. The rear camera records at a 160 degrees wide-angle lens that covers a large area.
No matter where you install this dashcam, inside or out, if you ever need to do any adjustments, you could do it at the screen. If you need to mirror the image, you could do that at the screen. Now, if you need to adjust the angle, simply touch the screen and you can move it up or down to adjust the angle. No need to go to the mount and adjust anything from there. You could do it right at the touchscreen.
What I like about this dashcam that it comes with smart voice control system, which gives you hand-free operation and easier to control. While you're driving, there's no need to touch the screen. You simply speak and it will follow your commands, offering a safe and more comfortable driving experience.
Turn off screen.
Okay.
Turn on screen.
Okay.
Turn on audio.
Okay.
Turn off audio.
Okay.
Show both cameras.
Okay.
Show front camera.
Okay.
Show rear camera.
Okay.
Lock the video.
Okay.
Video stop.
Okay.
Video start.
Okay.
So this is a great feature that I like. So even though you have touchscreen and you have voice commands, it even gives you 4 adjustments right at the touchscreen. Adjust the lens view angle, switch camera view displays, enter playback mode with delete, and adjust brightness. All that simply by your touchscreen. Now this dashcam also comes with G sensor, also known as gravity sensor. The G sensor will automatically detect a collision and will lock that current video and would not be overridden. And this file can be used for insurance claims. You can set this to low, medium, or high, but no matter what you set it, make sure you go back in 30 days to view any footage. Because if you have too many locked files, then there's not enough room for your loop recording, and then in that case you have to adjust your G sensor. But if you need more information on G sensor, I'll put a link in the top right for you. Now this also comes with parking guard. So when you're parked, the G sensor will automatically detect a collision or any physical movement. And it will create a 15 to 20 second video, and it will lock that video and will not be overridden. And again, you can use this on insurance claims. Just make sure you set your G sensor to high to get all the movement from your vehicle. Now this also comes with the emergency lock video, where you could touch the screen and select locked video, or you could use your voice command. And what this does, it will lock the current video and will not be overridden. So this is in case you have any incidents that you see around you. Not necessarily happening to you, but you see an incident, such as a car crash happening in front of you. You could go ahead and use that feature and it'll lock that video. And again, if you need to give this to anybody else because of their accident, they could use that on their insurance claims.
The dashcam also comes with loop recording. You could set this to 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute loop recordings. The dashcam will automatically delete the oldest video and record a new one in its place. No need to delete anything off your dashcam. It does it for you. Now, loop recording and G-sensor go hand in hand together. So if you need more information on loop recording, I'll put a link on the top right for you. Now, another nice feature is that this dashcam is a backup camera as well. When you put your car in reverse, the screen image will display park assisted lines for your safety and easy parking. But in order to take advantage of this, you had to make sure you connect the positive lead to the reverse light. Once you put your vehicle in reverse, the rear view mirror will automatically show the full screen reversing images with parking guidelines when the parking is in reverse, which helps you park safe.
Even though this dashcam comes with several features, the menu is very easy to operate. Once you open up the settings, the menu comes up and it's pretty much straightforward. And when you're toggling, you only have to toggle once to get to the next menu up underneath it. That's it. Everything is just press, 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 and that's it. That's how easy this menu is. Now, one good feature I like about this dashcam, with several that I have shown you already, is that it has a license plate stamp feature. So what this does is you could put the name of the driver, the name of the license plate, or the vehicle number on the footage. That way, when you're reviewing files or reviewing footage, you know what exactly this video corresponds to. Now, this is also great for fleet drivers, and when you're reviewing footage, you know exactly which vehicle that corresponds to. So I like this. Now, since this does have GPS, from the menu you could select miles per hour or kilometers per hour with that. That's another great setting you could do. With this dashcam, you could also view your files on the GPS player. You could track your routes and even displays the miles per hour that you were driving. But stay tuned, because I got a video for that coming out as well. Now let's go over some driving footage. Alright, so what did you think about this dash cam? What I like about it is that it's touchscreen and you can do all kinds of adjustments right at your fingertips. And voice commands, so much easier while you're driving. So I personally like this dash cam. So if this dash cam is right for you, I'll put links in the description down below to purchase. If you need more information on this dash cam, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, select all notifications, because I also have the installation video coming out for this dash cam. I also have a step-by-step on how to use the menu. So if this video was helpful for you, please give me that thumbs up. I appreciate that from you. If you have any questions or comments about this dash cam or other products I have, leave them in the comments section down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!